Allison, today it feels pretty mild outside.
Yeah, I mean, it's not even just we're talking about mild temperatures for the afternoon. It is mild right now. We have several communities in the low 60s to start the day. Much of your Wednesday is going to be spent from about 60 to 65. Also for your Wednesday, you're going to be dealing with a few of these scattered rain showers, and we're seeing that on radar this morning. It's really not that big of a deal, but there may be a few wet roads. You might see some raindrops on your car as you head out this morning. Where we have active rainfall right now is northeast Alabama. Most of this is light rainfall in that green color. We're also seeing it in Marion County and into Sequatchie County. A little bit of a band of some heavier, quick downpours to the west of us. We'll keep an eye on that this morning, but general movement is from southwest to northeast. We're going to see this progressing across our area. Here's that mild air that we were mentioning. Notice from Athens to Cleveland, Chattanooga, Dalton, all in the low 60s right now. Now it is cooler over to the east. 48 at the Andrews Murphy Airport, 50 in Blue Ridge. We're also seeing that 50 in northwestern Bledsoe County, 57 degrees in Scottsboro. So we do have a little bit of variety, but overall, when you think about February weather, even some of those numbers are above what would be normal for this time of year. So our metro regions, though, that are still in the low 60s, you're really the locations with very little variety. We may drop another degree back down to 60 degrees in Chattanooga this morning, but notice hour by hour really spending it from about 60 to 65 for your entire Wednesday. Wind from the south at 5 to 10 miles per hour. We are going to have clouds draped across our area today, generally cloudy to mostly cloudy skies, and again with those few hit or miss showers. For any given hour in time, it's not going to be super widespread activity. As we look this morning, we have some scattered activity ongoing. I think there might be a little bit of a lull late morning, but before things pick up again lunchtime heading into your evening. But regardless, no matter when you're running out today, might just be a good idea to have a raincoat with you just in case. And then we're going to really focus on tomorrow. So tomorrow we'll have widespread rain, and we're talking about the threat for severe weather. Tomorrow will be a storm alert weather day. Right now, it looks like the timing, the greatest concern for that severe potential is really for the afternoon into the evening hours from about 3 to 9 p.m. Now, our main threat is going to be damaging wind gusts. That's going to be those severe thunderstorm warnings, those straight line winds. But unfortunately, an isolated tornado will be possible. I still think these bottom two are not as great of risk, but maybe some isolated large hail and just localized flooding in the sense of standing water on roads, drainage issues, not expecting any kind of thing widespread. So again, those top two are going to be of our greatest concern. So I wanted to show you kind of that big picture. We had that local radar. Here's the big picture. We had this front passing over us this morning. That's what's triggering those few hit or miss showers for today. And then again, clouds across our entire area. We'll pull back a little bit further and you'll continue to see this stream coming from the southwest to the northeast. That will be the general movement for the day today. And then tomorrow is going to be the day that we're really watching out for. So when we look at our future cast today, you can see the clouds across our area, those red lines indicating that wind from the south, and just each one pretty small in size, but just this scattered activity of a few showers here and there. Total rainfall today up to about 1/4 of an inch. That's about it. Even seeing some activity 9-10 o'clock tonight pushing through, maybe a brief moment of some moderate rain. Let's take it to Thursday though. So there's going to be two main waves on Thursday. The morning time wave is really just going to clip our northwestern communities. So I'm not as concerned about a severe threat for this in the morning. That'll be more for middle Tennessee, but if this does shift a little bit further to the east, we may see some heavier downpours on your Thursday morning. And again, especially for our northwestern communities, but we'll keep an eye on that for Thursday morning. Wave 2, that's really the one of greater concern. So there's not going to be a whole lot of activity around lunchtime on Thursday, just a spotty shower here and there, but that wind from the south is really going to pick up, and that's going to act as some storm fuel as our temperatures get up to around 70 degrees. And then here comes the line that we're focused on for that severe potential. Heavy downpours, that gusty wind moving through with it, and again, along that line, that possibility of a brief spin-up tornado, and then we'll continue to see that move eastward. Now, once we get past 9 p.m., there's still going to be rain ongoing, but that severe threat will be diminishing, and then we're going to see that rainfall end by early on Friday morning. So by 4 a.m. Friday morning, it's gone, and it's all about that much colder air, that wind from the north to the northwest. Again, daytime highs on Friday only in the 40s. Thankfully, at least you're going to get some sunshine. Those clouds are going to be decreasing through the day. So as we look at the total rainfall today with that scattered nature, 1/10 of an inch to up to 1/4 of an inch is what we're expecting. Let's add on those heavier totals for Thursday, another 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches possible. So we're looking at, on average, about 1 to 2 inches of rain by the time we get to early on Friday morning. For our high temperatures for the week, 64 today, 71 tomorrow. There's that dramatic drop. So the official high on Friday will happen at midnight. That 47 is a daytime high, and then we start to stair step right back up. Tuesday of next week, we're back up to 69 degrees. So overall, we're still looking at pretty mild temperatures for the month of February. We end up usually getting just a day or two so far this month that's cold, and then it goes back up to mild air. But again, today, really mild. May not look pretty outside with the clouds and a few of those scattered showers, but it's not chilly outside. So at least that's some good news.
Yeah.